Thermal metrics are stable. Cross-reference the structural integrity readout.
Data verified. We have full material integrity at the interface.
Attention all personnel. Component integration for targeting systems is confirmed and proceeding on schedule.
The titanium hardpoint must be absolutely pristine before the anti-corrosion coating can be applied.
The high-resolution laser micrometer confirms the mounting holes meet the exacting specifications, verifying the airframe for structural integration. A focused beam reveals imperfections before the spectrometer verifies the optical grade, ensuring mission readiness for the Sukhoi Su-24. Continuity check complete. Signal integrity confirmed.
Redundancy circuits are nominal. Power checks passed.
The simulation is running. Check the Su-24 synchronization logs.
Latency is optimal. We have full systems approval.
Kaira pod interface status aligned.
Locking sequence complete. Good integration.
Alignment check complete. Perpendicularity confirmed.
Acknowledged. Proceed with locking sequence.
The final high-speed data interface port is installed, directly connecting the Kaira targeting pod to the mission computer.
Initiating simulation profile.
Data handshake is stable. Check passed on the Kaira pod.
Sequence complete. We have integrity verified. Excellent. Log the results.
The multimeter confirms the resistance is 0, validating the electrical safety of the mounting structure on the massive Sukhoi Su-24 Fencer.
This initial alignment of the primary flight sensors is essential.
Lift complete. We are traversing now to the transfer platform. Steady as she goes. Lowering to position.
The massive X-ground power unit is connected, initiating the primary systems test.
The specialized pump injects high-purity fluid to clear residual particulates, ensuring the lines are clean for the Kaira pod's chilled coolant.
Initiating light sequence check. Navigation lights active.
Confirmed. Strobes operational. Check complete.
Rolled and dug. The massive Sukhoi Su-24 Fencer is carefully positioned inside the Designator hangar.
Cable connected to the ventral pylon.
Handshake initiated. Power stable.
Link verified.
The high-capacity unit is linked to the avionics bus. Power-up sequence initiated.
Confirmation on the targeting pod data stream. Integration is successful.
The diagnostic console confirms the power delivery from the Sukhoi Su-24 Fencer airframe is perfectly stable. validating the integrated power chain.
Vibration levels are well within tolerance at max thrust.
Confirmed. The dampeners are fully effective.
Fluid levels checked in green, main gear secure.
Roger that. Kaira pod alignment is successful. Process B is complete. Ready for taxi.
As the Fencer climbs steeply away from the factory, the Kaira pod stabilizes, preparing the aircraft for rigorous operational testing and simulation.
Despite the extreme speed, the stability of the Kaira pod demonstrates the success of our micron-level alignment and structural damping.
The Kaira system's performance was flawless. The laser designation precision is exactly what we needed.
Absolutely, the reliability metrics are excellent.
The scan shows full operational status, cross-reference with the flight data recorder.
Already on it. The Kaira pod looks good to go.
The Su-24 Fencer stands ready, its Kaira targeting pod symbolizing ultimate precision.